Mathematics, Chapter 1, Sets, Relations and Functions. Discuss the exercise number 1.2. First question, discuss the following relations for reflectivity, symmetricity and transitivity. First one, the relation are defined on the set of all positive integer by m or n if m divides n. Solution S equal to sets of all positive integer a of m or m is divide m reflexive. M or m divides n but r, n or n does not divide m. That is m or n not equal to n or m. It is not symmetric. M or n or r as n divide r, it is transitivity. Let P denote the set of all straight line in a plane. The relation R defined by I, L or M if L is perpendicular to M. Put P equal to set of all straight line in a plane L or M. L is perpendicular to M. L or L is not perpendicular L. It is not reflexive. L or M, L is perpendicular to M or M is perpendicular to L, it is symmetric. L perpendicular to M perpendicular to N, L is parallel to N, it is not transitive. Let A be the set consist of all the member of family. The relation R defined by A or B if A is not a sister of B. Solution A equal to set of all member of the family A or B is A is not a sister of B. A or A is not a sister of A, it is reflexive. A or B, A is not a sister of B, B or A, B is not a sister of A, it is symmetric. A or B, A is not a sister of B, B or C, B is not a sister of C, A or C, A can be a sister of C, it is not transitive. Let A be the set consisting of all the female member of a family. The relation R defined by A or B if A is not a sister of B. Solution A, set of all female member of a family. A or A is a sister of A, it is reflexive. A or B, A is a sister of B, B or A, B is a sister of A, it is symmetric. A or B, A is a sister of B, B or C, B is a sister of C, A or C, A can be sister of C, it is on the set of natural numbers, the relation R defined by x or y if x plus 2y equal to 1. Solution n, x or y if x plus 2y equal to 1, R is an empty set. X or x plus 2x equal to 1, x equal to 1 by 3 belongs to n, it is not reflexive. X or y equal to y or x equal to x plus 2y equal to 1, it does not implies that y plus 2x equal to 1. As y equal to 1 minus x by 2, it is not symmetric. Minus x equal to y minus 1 comma 1 belongs to n, it is not transitive. Question number 2, let x and r write down the minimum number of order pair to the including to r to make it reflexive. symmetric transitive equivalency. Solution X and R reflexive. To make R reflexive, we need to include C, C and D, D. Symmetric. To make R symmetric, we need to include C, A. Transitive. R is transitive. Equivalency. To make R reflexive, we need to include C, C. To make R symmetric, we need to include C, C and C, A for transitive. Therefore, the relation now becomes R equal to A, B, B, A, C, 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 A. R is equivalence relation. Let A, R, write down the minimum number of order pair to including to R to make it. Solution reflexive C, C, symmetric C, A, transitive nothing, equivalency C, C and C, A. Fourth question. Let P be the sets of all triangle in a plane and R be the relation defined on P as A or B. If A is similar to B, prove that R is a equivalence relation. P, set of all triangles in a plane A or B is similar to B. A or A, everything triangle is similar to itself. A or A is reflexive. A or B, if A is similar to B, B is also similar to A, it is symmetric. A or B, B or C, A or C, A is similar to B and B is similar to C. A is similar to A, it is transitive. R is an equivalence relation. Question number 5. On the set of natural number, let R be the relation defined by A or B if 2A plus 3B equal to 30. Write down the relation by listing all the pair. Check whether it is reflexive, symmetric, transitive, equivalent. Solution N, set of natural number R. Then A, 3, 3 not belongs to R. R is not reflexive. 2A plus 3B equal to 30. Then B value is 30 minus 2A by 3. 3, 8 belongs to R of 8, 3 not belongs to R. R is not symmetric. A, B, B, C belongs to R. R is transitive. It is not equivalency relation. Question number 6. Prove that the relation friendship is not an equivalency relations on the set of all people in Chennai. Solution S equal to A or A, that is a person can be a friend to himself or herself. So it is reflexive. A or B, B or A, so it is symmetric. A or B, B or C does not, A or C, so it is not transitive. It is not a equivalent relation. Question number 7. On the set of natural number, let R be the relation defined by A or B. If A plus B less than 6, write down the relation by listening all the pair. Check whether it is reflexive, symmetric, transitive, equivalency. Set of all natural number A or B if A plus B less than 6. Reflexive 5, 1 belongs to R, but 5, 5 not belongs to R. It is not reflective. Symmetric A or B, B or A, it is symmetric. Transitive 4, 2, 2, 3 belongs to R, 4, 3 not belongs to R. It is not transitive. Equivalency. It is not a equivalence relation. Question number 8. Let A. What is the equivalent relations of small cardinality of on A? What is the equivalence relations of largest cardinality on A? Solution. R is the smallest cardinality of A to make its equivalence relation NR equal to 3. R equal to N of R equal to 9 is the largest cardinality of R to make its equivalency. In the set Z is integer, define MRN. If M minus N is divisible by 7, prove that R is an equivalent relation. Solution. MRN. If M minus N is divisible by 7, MRM equal to M minus M equal to 0. 0 is divisible by 7. It is reflexive. MRN M minus N is divisible by 7. NRM N minus M equal to minus M minus N is also divisible by 7. It is symmetric. MRN M minus N is divisible by 7. Then M minus N by 7 equal to K by 7. NRR N minus R is divisible by 7. N minus R by 7 equal to 1 by 7. MRR equal to M minus R K by 7 plus N minus N minus 1 by 7. M minus R K by 7 plus N minus N plus 1 by 7. M minus R equal to 1 by 7 K plus L is divisible by 7. Then it is transitive MRN if M minus N is divisible by 7. Therefore, R is an equivalent relations. All of them understood, children? Thank you, children.